Theorem 10.2. The lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. To prove this theorem, let us draw a circle. This is a circle with center O, and let us take an external point outside the circle. Let it be P, or you may take any other point. Now from this point P, we will draw tangents on this circle. So as we know that from an external point, at the most only two tangents can be drawn. So we will draw here two tangents on circle, and let us take the point of contacts Q and R. So PQ and PR are the two tangents drawn from the external point P. Q and R are the point of contact, and we have to prove that the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point P, that is PQ and PR, are equal in length. So given a circle C, O, R, as usual, C is circle, O center, and R is the radius. P is any external point outside the circle, and PQ and PR are the tangents drawn on circle. To prove, we have to prove that PQ is equal to PR. Now here, as the hints are not sufficient to prove this theorem, so we will do construction. We will join OR, OQ and OP. Let us join OR, OQ and OP. You can see, children, that any construction or any other thing which we are doing other than main figure is done with dotted lines. This indicates that this is the construction, not the part of the main question we have done to prove this theorem. Okay? Join OP, OQ and OR. Okay? Now let's give the proof to prove this. In triangle ORP and triangle OQP, we will try to prove these two triangles congruent. First of all, OR and OQ both are the radius of circle. So OR is equal to OQ. OR and OQ both are the radius. Also, angle R is equal to angle Q, 90 degree each. Reason is that in theorem 10.1 we have seen that the tangent at any point to the circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. So as Q is the point of contact, R is the point of contact, OQ and OR are the radius, therefore angle Q and angle R will be equal to 90 degree. Tangents are always perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. So here angle R and angle Q are equal, and as you can see in both the triangles ORP and OQP, OP is the common side. So OP is equal to OP. It is common. And other than being common, as this side OP is falling in front of 90 degree angle, this is the hypotenuse. So OP is equal to OP is the common hypotenuse. That means your triangle ORP is congruent to triangle OQP by right angle, hypotenuse and the side, that is RHS. And as both the triangles are congruent, so their corresponding parts are equal. So now we can say that PR is equal to PQ because of CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Hence, our theorem is proved. PR is equal to PQ, that is, the length of tangents drawn from the external point are equal in length.